first of all, I brought my wife up with me because she's my partner, and we both love Tim and Aubrey more than anything. Well, I want to wish them the luck and happiness in the world, all the love that you could have.
I just wanna be where you are.
Tim, was texting with us, and we found out he was driving a truck, and so he picked us up at Newark Airport in terrible weather and drove us home. And this is how we met our now son-in-law, Tim, and that just really goes to show that what kind of person he is, and he's always been a keeper for us. And
today is a good day.
All I can say is always make time to have fun together. Because when you stop having fun together, things just get super serious. So always do that and always come back to each other. And I've taken up enough of the time, and I look forward to being an aunt in the future. Yeah, let's keep bringing it up every speech. Do the next one. And to just watching the life you guys build together, because I know it's going to be beautiful. So cheers.
Aubrey, I give you this ring as a sign and symbol of my love and commitment. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Timothy, I give you this ring as a sign and a symbol of my love and commitment. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Husband and wife! Yay! You may now kiss the bride. Woo-hoo! Yay! Woo-hoo! Ever as husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. Garrett!
This could be the moment we've been waiting for, the chance to feel alive. Nothing's gonna stop us, nothing's gonna top this, nothing like we've ever seen. And I raise my hands to the sky, what a feeling. 'Cause I feel like dancing high, got a feeling, time to feel it. This is where it all begins.
When
Tim and I talked about marriage, he told me about his philosophy was to find someone to rely on. Things can happen unexpectedly in life, and when they did for Tim, he couldn't speak more highly for the love and support he received from Aubrey. And that, I think, made the decision to propose so easy for him. A proposal that brought all of us together tonight. This is your party, so enjoy everyone's company, but especially your own. And after tonight, remember to stick up for each other, admit when you're wrong, give high fives, celebrate, commiserate, be good partners, kiss each other goodnight, work hard, be nice, and have fun. I love you guys.
This is where it